Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of 14th problem from exercise 9.1 from NCERT from Applications of Trigonometry, class 10. A 1.2 meters tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degrees. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So here the height of the girl is given, that is 1.2 meters. And at the first portion, the balloon is at this point, that is B. So see, the girl sees the balloon at this point with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. So here the angle of elevation is 60 degrees and the balloon is at this position and the balloon is moving with the wind in a horizontal line. So the height is same here. The balloon's height from the ground is same here. So that is given, that is 88.2 meters. So from here to here, that is 88.2, and from here to here also the height is 88.2 meters. And the angle of elevation of the balloon at this position at D point, that is 30 degrees. From her eye, it is 30 degrees. So here BC is equal to DE is equal to, here BC is equal to DE is equal to same height. So that is equal to the total height, that is 88.2 minus the height of the girl, that is 1.2, that is equal to 87 meters. And angle of elevation of the first portion, at the first portion is 60 degrees and at the second portion is 30 degrees. So we have to find the distance between traveled by the balloon during the interval. So you have to find the distance between these 2 points, that is C and E. So we have to find CE value. So you can see here there are two right triangles, ABC and ADE. And in the first triangle, in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to, here tan 60 is BC by AC, opposite side by adjacent side. So 87, BC is 87. So 87 by AC, tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 87 by AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 87 by root 3. So AC is 87 by root 3. And in this triangle, in triangle ADE, tan 30 degrees is equal to 87 by AE. This one, adjacent side, that is AE. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 by AE. Therefore, AE is equal to 87 into root 3. So here we have to find CE value. So AC we know and AE value we know. So we have to find CE. So AE we can write as AC plus CE. Therefore, AE is equal to AC plus CE. So AE value is 87 root 3 is equal to 87 by root 3 plus CE. CE is equal to 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3. That is equal to 87 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So this is 87 into root 3 is 3 minus 1, that is 2 by root 3. So if you rationalize this denominator, 87 2s are 174 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 3 1s are 358 are 174. Therefore, the CE is equal to 58 root 3 meters. CE is distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So that is 58 root 3 meters. Now, please do these practice questions. These are the answers.